What's up, everybody? If you've ever dreamed of witnessing one of nature's most jaw-dropping spectacles, tonight might just be your lucky night. Imagine standing under a vast, star-studded sky, surrounded by friends, as ribbons of color swirl and dance above you. That's right, we're talking about the legendary northern lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. Welcome back to the channel where we chase adventure and chase the impossible. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just someone who loves a good story, you're in the right place. Tonight, we're not just talking about any ordinary adventure, we're on a mission to experience one of the most magical phenomena our planet has to offer. Speaking of impossible, have you ever seen the northern lights? If not, you're in for a treat. These glowing waves of green, purple and pink light up the sky in ways that seem almost otherworldly. People travel from all corners of the globe just for a chance to catch a glimpse, and tonight, we're going to show you how you can be one of them. Because today, we're diving deep into the science behind this incredible phenomenon. What causes these lights to appear? Why do they only show up in certain places? And what makes them so unpredictable? We'll break it all down, from solar winds to magnetic fields, so you'll know exactly what's happening above your head when the sky comes alive. We're talking 7 mind-blowing facts about the Aurora Borealis that'll have you booking a trip to Iceland before you can say solar wind. From ancient legends to cutting-edge science, we'll explore the mysteries and myths that have surrounded the northern lights for centuries. Plus, I'll share some of the best spots in the world to see them, and what you need to know before you go. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video, because I'm going to give you guys my secret tip for predicting the best night to see the lights. This is the trick I use every time I plan a trip north, and it's helped me catch the aurora at its brightest more times than I can count. Trust me, you'll want to have this in your back pocket for your next adventure. So grab your warmest jacket, get your camera ready, and let's set out together to catch the northern lights tonight. This is one adventure you'll remember for the rest of your life. Did you know that the northern lights, those magical ribbons of color that dance across the night sky, are actually caused by a giant party happening on the sun? It might sound wild, but it's true. The next time you see those shimmering greens, purples and reds lighting up the darkness, just remember, you're witnessing the after effects of a solar celebration happening 93 million miles away. The sun is constantly throwing out these massive bursts of energy called solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Imagine the sun as a cosmic DJ, spinning up wild storms of charged particles and sending them hurtling through space at incredible speeds. These solar eruptions are so powerful, they can travel all the way from the sun to Earth in just a couple of days. And when those energetic flares and streams of solar wind finally reach the Earth's atmosphere, bam, that's when the real show begins. The particles slam into the upper layers of our atmosphere, and the energy from that collision gets released as light. That's what creates the breathtaking auroras we see near the poles. We're talking about a spectacular collision of tiny, invisible particles with the gases in our atmosphere, folks. These particles excite the oxygen and nitrogen high above the Earth, causing them to glow in brilliant colors. It's like nature's own fireworks, but on a truly cosmic scale. So the next time you find yourself under a sky painted with auroras, remember, you're watching a cosmic light show millions of miles in the making, powered by the sun's wild energy, and the invisible dance of particles in our atmosphere. It's the ultimate solar wind party, and everyone on Earth is invited to watch. Okay, get this. You know how airplanes fly, like, way up high? Well, the northern lights happen even higher. We're talking at least 60 miles above the Earth's surface. That's like stacking 10 Mount Everests on top of each other. Can you even imagine being that high up and seeing those lights dance around you? It'd be insane. Alright, this next fact is going to sound crazy, but some people claim they can actually hear the northern lights. They say it's like a faint crackling or hissing sound. Scientists are still debating whether or not it's real, but hey, anything's possible, right? I mean, we are talking about a celestial light show here. Ever wondered how the northern lights get those vibrant colors? It's all about the gas, baby. The different gases in our atmosphere create different colors when they're hit by those solar particles. Oxygen makes that brilliant green. Nitrogen gives us those purples and blues, and sometimes you even get lucky and see reds and pinks. It's like Mother Nature's own neon sign. Have you ever wondered why we mostly hear about the northern lights? Well, there are actually southern lights too. They're called the Aurora Australis, and they happen down near the South Pole. Same incredible light show, just a different hemisphere. Maybe we'll do a whole video on those next. Here's a little history lesson for you. The Northern Lights have been around for like ever. We're talking ancient civilizations were blown away by these lights thousands of years ago. There are even cave paintings that are thought to depict the Aurora Borealis. Talk about a timeless wonder. Okay, this last fact is seriously wild. Remember those solar flares that cause the Northern Lights? Well, those bursts of energy can actually mess with technology here on Earth. We're talking power outages, radio interference, even satellite disruptions. It's like a reminder that even though they're beautiful, the Northern Lights are a powerful force of nature. So there you have it, guys. We've just taken a journey through some of the most incredible and awe-inspiring facts about the Northern Lights. Whether you're a seasoned skywatcher or just someone who loves a good natural wonder, I hope you found these facts as fascinating as I do. The Northern Lights are truly one of nature's most magical displays, and every time you see them, it feels like witnessing a miracle painted across the night sky. From the science behind those swirling colors to the legends and myths that have surrounded them for centuries, the Aurora Borealis never fails to capture our imagination. These 7 mind-blowing facts are just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover if you keep looking up and stay curious. The next time you find yourself under a clear, dark sky, remember that you're witnessing a phenomenon that has inspired people for generations. Which fact surprised you the most? Was it the idea that the lights can actually make sounds? Or maybe the fact that they've been seen as far south as Texas during powerful solar storms? Or perhaps you were amazed to learn about the different colors and what causes them? I'd love to hear your thoughts and which part of the Northern Lights story left you in awe. Let me know in the comments down below. Your stories, questions, and experiences are what make this community so special. Have you ever seen the Northern Lights in person? If so, where were you, and what was it like? Or maybe you're planning your first Aurora adventure. Share your excitement and let's inspire each other to explore more of our amazing world. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more about the wonders of our planet, your support means the world to me. Every like, comment, and subscription helps this channel grow and brings more curious minds together. Plus, you'll never miss out on future videos packed with fun facts, travel tips, and breathtaking visuals. Now, for those of you who stuck around to the end, I've got a little bonus just for you. Because let's be honest, catching the Northern Lights isn't always easy, and sometimes it takes a bit of planning and a dash of luck. But with the right tools and a little know-how, you can boost your chances of seeing this spectacular show for yourself. My secret tip for catching the Northern Lights is to download an Aurora Forecast app. These apps are absolute game changers for anyone hoping to witness the aurora. They use real-time data from satellites and observatories to predict when and where the lights are most likely to appear, so you can plan your night accordingly. These apps track solar activity and can give you a heads up when the lights are most likely to be visible in your area. Some even send you notifications when conditions are perfect, so you'll never miss a chance to see the aurora. Just imagine getting an alert, grabbing your friends, and heading out for an unforgettable night under the stars. Thanks for watching, everyone. Now go out there and chase those lights. Whether you're traveling to the Arctic Circle or just stepping outside your door, keep your eyes on the sky and your sense of wonder alive. The world is full of magic. Sometimes all you have to do is look up.